Done yet?
Yeah. Did you even do your 2 over there?
Yeah, whatever.
I didn't see that.
This is the whole last set.
I didn't see any of those.
Yeah, because I'm lightning, speed. You guys are busy, like, whatever the fuck you were doing.
You were busy spotting me.
Let me just hit one of these, but like blast it out.
No,
I don't know, man. You gotta go over there.
Oh my god.
If you don't finish, it doesn't count.
This guy ever heard of setting the standard?
Hey?
This guy over here setting the standard? What the
Apparently
hell?
not.